Hey ladies! Alright, I get asked a lot about face makeup application, what brushes to use, what order to put your products in, should I wear primer, when do I put it on, where do I put it, and I have a tutorial for you. So we're going to go through it step by step, what products I wear and in what orders.
Alright, let's get this party started. First things first, primer. Alright, primer is amazing. It fills in the fine lines, wrinkles, large pores, really creates this even canvas for your makeup. As you can see, I have a really uneven skin, very red, kind of splotchy. I reach for Younique's Touch Liquid Foundation. Any makeup brush will do. You just need a few drops. It's going to cover up all that redness. And by the way, if you happen to see my mouth move, my kids are literally playing at my feet right now. I use two different colors of concealer depending on whether I want to conceal or highlight. First, I'm going to conceal using a concealer in the exact same color as my foundation. Using a wet blending bud, I'm just going to cover up anything that needs my attention that my foundation didn't cover because I want full coverage, and this is a full coverage concealer. Now I'm going to go one shade lighter than my foundation. This color is Velour. I'm going to highlight under my eyes and mask those dark circles. So not in a crescent shape, I'm going to actually do a large triangular shape to really highlight that part of my face. Isn't that amazing? This concealer is my bestie. Now once it dries, give it a quick little blend with your foundation brush. Alright, next step is either your bronzer or your blush. I like bronzer, so I'm going to use my blush brush, give it a squeeze, put it right in my bronzer, and right underneath that cheekbone. Alright, the next step is blush. You put it on the apples of the cheeks, that bone right there, just a tiny dab of blush is really going to add some color. Okay, here's my favorite part, highlighter. Check out this highlighter stick. It's so easy. You do your Cupid's bow, give your lips a little extra pout. Now this dries to a powder, so kind of just rub it in with your finger and let it work its magic. For me, setting spray is a must. I love setting spray. Now, if you have oily skin, setting powder may be for you. This has a little mesh netting in the bottom. You can just use your brush, dab it, and put it everywhere you have that oily shine. It'll really give you that matte finish. And voila!